If you should find yourself with an afternoon or evening to spare and you'd like to just relax and wander a market street in Paris, you could go to see the incredible Rue Claire, which is where we went one afternoon after we came into Paris on a train and we just weren't feeling like hitting any tourist sites. Lovely place to walk and dip into stores, or if you want to buy some food and take a picnic somewhere else in the city, these market streets are a wonderful way to spend a quiet afternoon. We don't really have anything like them in the States. Instead of a shopping market, there's a shopping street with a store for each individual thing. So you can go into the wine store, the cheese store, the butcher shop, fishmongers and patisseries and produce shops, or you can pop into shopping little stores for souvenirs and kitchen items, or you can stop here where we had a lovely dinner and just enjoyed the ambiance of the evening and did some people watching. Rue Claire is an easy walk from the École Militaire metro stop. Let us know if you've been here or if you've been to any of the other market streets in Paris, and chime in the comments with which one was your favorite, and we'll look forward to seeing more of them on our next visit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.